Introducing the new generation of our magnetic drilling machines with brand new LED switches and comfortable new cushion grips. The made in Germany MAB100K, the lightweight heavy performer. Ideal for core drilling when low weight is the demand. Keyless quick change system to save time and tool breakage. Permanent lubrication for increased tool life. Single-speed robust gearbox. Safety feature of magnet adhesion indicator. Available in 230 and 110 volts options. The powerful German-make motor makes it super easy to drill diameter 32mm with HSS and TCT core drills in 55mm cutting lengths. Weighing just 9.9 kilograms. Complete internal cabling, quick change drilling system. The premium lightweight MAB100K, magnetic drilling machine made in Germany by BDS Machines.